Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming network parity and basic permissions. On your Realme Pad 2, turn on Wi-Fi and Bluetooth, then open Quick Settings and tap Screencast. Grant any location or permission prompts so the system can discover devices. Meanwhile, power the target TV or wireless display and put it into casting or receiver mode. If you use an HDMI adapter, set the TV input accordingly. Once done, the tablet will search and list available devices. Don't tap anything yet. Prepare to select the correct device name. Now you pick the exact target from the discovery list. Make sure the model or room name matches the display to avoid connecting to a neighbor's device. Tap it and choose between full screen mirroring or casting specific media. Full screen mirrors everything, whereas media casting streams only supported apps. If audio doesn't follow, enable audio sharing in the casting options. If the image has black bars or wrong orientation, rotate the Pad 2 and check display scaling in settings to match the TV's aspect ratio. To finish, stop casting from quick settings or the persistent cast notification so connections end cleanly. If you experience lag, stutter, or dropped frames, move both devices nearer, free up Wi-Fi bandwidth, or switch to the 5 GHz network for lower interference. If the Pad 2 can't find the display at all, restart the tablet, the TV, and the router, then recheck permissions and network names. Make sure both are on the same SSID. This simple restart often resolves discovery or handshake issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.